What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video I'm bringing to you the unboxing and review of the Seagate Backup Plus Hub for Mac and for Windows. Now guys, it's time for the unboxing and let's start with the Windows version. Inside the box you will get the Seagate Backup Plus Hub drive with black finish, and you will get some paper stuff. Also the power adapter, because this is desktop drive, and also you will get USB 3 cable to connect it to your computer. With this drive, Seagate really did great job. This drive really light, compact, and amazing finish from Seagate. In the front of this drive there is two USB 3 ports to charge your devices, and this is why they are calling it hub. Now let's talk about the Mac version. The Mac version comes with white finish, and for me I like the white finish more than the black one. One thing I noticed with the Mac version, the power adapter comes with bunch of connectors, so you can connect it in any place in the world. It depends on the country you are living in. I'm not sure why they did not include all of these connectors in the Windows version. Maybe this is just the copy I got. Now let's test the speed of this drive. For the Windows version I got 164 megabytes per second for read and 154 megabytes per second for write. For the Mac version I got 184 megabytes per second for read and for write. These drives available in many different configurations from 3 terabytes up to 10 terabytes. If you got the Windows version and you want to use it with your Mac computer, it's possible by just formatting it using the compatible file system type. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video.